factorize these expressions into a single bracket. So we've got two expressions here. So this is one on the side. So we've got 28u plus 21. That's one expression. And the second expression is 12t plus 42. Okay, so essentially what we're doing with these kinds of questions, it says here factorize into a single bracket. What we're going to end up with as an answer, as an expression, is something that looks like this. And you can see here that we've got a term outside the brackets, and then we've got a couple of terms inside the brackets. Okay, plus we have brackets. So that's what we're going to be aiming to end up with. So let's find out how we go about getting there. So for this one here, we have 28u plus 21. What factor is common to 28 and 21? Well, if you don't know your times tables very well, here's a way to do it. We're going to use factorization trees, prime factorization trees. So let's try with 28 first, and you'll see how it works. So 28, what times what equals 28? Well, you can go with 2 times 14. Every time you get to a prime, you circle it. That's the end of the tree of the branches going that way. So 2, it's finished. We've got 14. What times what equals 14? Well, you can go with 2 times 7. And you can see that 2 and 7, they're both primes. So now this prime factorization tree for 28, that's actually done. Let's do the same kind of approach for 21, the other term. So what times what equals 21? 3 times 7, right? Both of these are primes. So that's finished. That was very quick. So we now look to see which factors, so which of these prime factors are shared by both of those numbers. So let's look at the 2. 2's here, but there are no 2's here. So forget that 2, that's not part of it. Another 2 here, there's no 2's on the other side. 7 though, we have a 7 here, and we have a 7 here. So 7 is part of our final calculations. We can cross those off. 3 is on this side, but there's no 3's on this side. So basically, we now know that the highest common factor of 28 and 21 is 7. 7 is a factor of 28 because it's 7, right, times 4. And 7 is also a factor of 21 because it's 7 times 3. And it's the biggest factor they both share. So what do we do with this information? Pretty simple. The 7 goes here, outside of the brackets that we're going to end up with. What goes in the brackets? Okay, first thing, you should identify the terms, plus 21 and 28. Now we say to ourselves, okay, 7 into 28. What is that? It's 4. So 4u. And this one here, 7 into 21, plus 21, that is plus 3. Positive 3. And there we go. This should be the correct answer. We can check it though. We now expand out of the bracket, and we should end up with what we started with, which was 28u plus 21. So 7 times 4u is 28u, and then 7 times positive 3 is positive 21, and that is indeed what we started with, so we know that this must be correct. Let's do this one. Again, let's start with 12 and do a prime factorization tree. So I'm going to go really quickly to 3 and 4, because 3 times 4 is 12. 3 is a prime, 4 is not. We can keep going. 2 times 2 equals 4. These are both primes. With 42, again, I know my times tables reasonably well, so I'm going to go with 6 times 7. So 7 is a prime. I can keep going with my 6, 2, and 3, and so those are primes. So now it's all finished. Let's look for factors that appear both in this tree and in this tree. So a 3 is here. Are there any 3's on this one? Yes, there's one here. So 3 can be part of my final calculations. Cross that out, cross that out. We've got a 2 on this side. Are there any 2's on this side? Yes. So I can cross that out, cross that out. So it'll be 3 times 2 at the moment. There's another 2 here, but there are no more 2's on this side. On this side we have a 7, but there's no 7 on this side. So 3 times 2 is 6, so I now know that my highest common factor equals 6. I want to use this information. That 6 goes here, outside the brackets. What goes inside the brackets? 12 divided by 6 is 2, so it's 2t. And positive 42 divided by 6 is positive 7. This should be the answer. This should be the correct expression, but let's check. 6 times 2 is 12, so it's 12t, and 6 times positive 7 is positive 42. Is that what we started with? 12t plus, that is what we started with, therefore that is correct.